Alright guys, I'm going to play Body Armor Level 1 Firing Squad. Are we ready? I'll walk into it. Come on. Ready? There's BBs inside my mask still. Don't shoot, hold on. Phew. Pretty good, man. My Gen 1 Airsoft body armor worked good.
The Mark 1? Aw, man.
Let's cardboard it all up.
Let's see the neck. Hey. That didn't even count. That's your little homemade cross? How's your hand?
Alright. If I can get out of this thing.
No, you gotta play with that the next round.
Oh, look, all the babies falling out.
Babies in his head.
I thought shit was breaking on the... Man, it took it pretty good. The goggles took it good too. Look at them neck shots.
Ceasefire.
Do a barrel roll.
Bob, I think me and Tyler did the most damage here. Just saying.
Yeah, with those guns, hell
Just saying. We got
Yeah, I think we got you, Scott.
Ah!
Oh, come on! You got your balls protected too?
Yeah, I'm kind of glad you had that cardboard in there. Your belly might have reflected some BBs back this way.
ricocheted.
Oh, come on.
And by the way, the award for the biggest pussy goes to... no more.
Man, that was unbelievable. It was pushing me back. That's how hard the BBs were.
Cardboard, man. Well, did it work?
Yeah.
I can. Look at that. Deluxe.
Hold on. That's not it still.
See how much free time he has at work?
Alright, he had all those all made up, ready to go.
Yeah.
That was his birthday.
I know. Alright, guys.
You always have
a embarrassing.
a small reveal.
Yeah, what do you got in there? Is that cardboard in your pants, or are you just happy to see it?
What do you got in there? Disappointment.
Oh, come on.
Look at that. Custom, baby. That's tailor-made.
Why is it wet?
It's cut perfect.
Why is it?
Wow.
Ta-da.
Well, you got them in your
That ain't wear the pants. You gotta rip them off.
You got online cut out.
Alright, ready for party boy?
Yeah. Kevlar inserts.
Not too bad.
Now we need to get a couple of girls out here.
That was the world record for holding it, wasn't it?
That was it. I've never seen anybody out hold it.
I figured when you guys were shooting and he started like walking like Iron Man, it's like they're gonna catch on. They like.
Well, we knew he had something.
You get to see it just watching him walk out there. He was like, oh,
Yeah. Well, I got my
Works pretty
revenge.
good though.
hell yeah.
Yeah.
I went for the hand.
I don't know if I got any. Somebody I was watching just kept shooting me in the face. I'm like, douchebag, man. I thought this thing broke.
Look at him, he was the neck.